Aloha kako. This is Ho'oma Lama Lama. I'm doing a lunch and learn. So today's a quick meal prep with wild rice. Now it's amazing. I didn't even know how many good things was in wild rice until I started messing around with it. And here it goes. Okay, so 2 cups. That's all you need. And then for the liquid, I actually use something quite different. Beef broth, and not just any, it has to be organic beef broth. You use the entire container with your 2 cups and it works out perfectly. Now if you want to know more about the rice, I'll put it right here. It's a local Pacific Northwest company. It's pretty awesome and cool. This is gorgeous. Look at all the colors. Yum. And that's it. It's all done. And then you just fluff. The best part ever. And then you can make your different meal variations of whatever you decide, but it didn't take very long. This 2 cup cook up made about, I think, 3 meals for me and 3 for my husband, so it turned out really good. Mahalo, I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ahui ho.